know, I woke up with the sun shining on my eyes, man. Trying something new. Well, not new to me, but I've never documented this for social media. I'm excited. Window cleaning. Bacon, sausage, beans. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be crazy. So we ended up getting a free hotel breakfast. Now what I'm wondering is, could I just go into any hotel and get a free breakfast every day? That's what we're gonna try later this week. Let's give this a try. Apples and bananas for the road and had to get going. Holy crap, it is low-key cold out today, man. Oh my goodness. And it's gonna be a very cold start on the GTR this morning. Wraps coming off. When I was window cleaning back in the day, I never would have thought I'd be window cleaning out of the GTR. I've never seen the temperatures this low as well. Holy crap. Now imagine I just revved it as hard as I could right now. I'm in London, Ontario right now, going window cleaning. We got a GTR. So we're gonna go through my pitch right now because I'm a little bit rusty. I haven't done this in a long time. We gotta go through it real quick. All right, so my old pitch used to be like, oh my gosh, dude, this is what we're bringing back today, man. This is crazy. I think we can do well with it though. We'll see. So you go knock, take a couple steps back, then you say, hey, how you doing today? I'm actually in the neighborhood cleaning windows. I noticed your windows are looking pretty dirty and I gotta get the hang of this again. Hey, how you doing? My name's Colin. I'm in the neighborhood today actually cleaning windows. I've helped out a couple of your neighbors. I was wondering if you'd be looking to get them done. I'm doing an end of season special right now. I can count them up right now and give you a quote. Boom. Boom! There, then you go walk around the house, count them up, you say, listen, usually I'd be charging 160. Because it's end of the season and I'm freezing, we can do 110 and get it done right now. Boom! Alright, there's the pitch, man. That's the pitch. I feel like I have way more confidence now than I used to. And I wonder if I pull up in the GTR, if that's gonna help us out as well. Hey, we'll see. I got my old hoodie on too, man. I think I'm ready. Let's go drive around and find a good neighborhood. Alright, we're hunting for a good neighborhood. This is looking like a good neighborhood so far. Oh, yo! Oh my god! A Cybertruck? Dude, I have not seen one of those. Oh, hold on, speed bump. I have not seen one of those in someone's driveway yet. Dude, that just looks so out of place, I'm not gonna lie. All these houses are too tall for the little equipment that I have. Can't really do any of these. We gotta find houses that are like one level, one story. We found a beautiful neighborhood, all one story. This looks like it would be a retirement neighborhood, so that's literally perfect. Everyone, or most people, should be home. Even though I've done this a ton of times, bro, it doesn't get me nervous. It's just like, there's like a block, you know what I'm saying? But obviously I'm still gonna go do it. But if you're starting anything and you wanna do anything, I know exactly how you feel. Like there's a block, there's something stopping you from doing it. But if you feel that, that's the time when you just go and do it. I'm not even gonna think, I'm just gonna go knock the first door. Let's get it. All right, boys, we got our first job today. Third door we knocked, we got it. I wasn't able to record it because I don't have anyone filming it. She wrote me a check actually. So this one we're doing $100. I think it'll take me half an hour. I'm doing this one a little bit later today, so we'll get to that later. But first, I'm gonna keep knocking and try and get 2 to 3 more. See if we can make 500 bucks today. So we need 400 to go. All right, we're leaving that neighborhood with one successful job. We're gonna find another one now. This quick little break. Look at what I found. A freaking Urus, dude. We found a freaking Urus. Look at the GTR and the Urus parked up. Now, if I was to get an SUV, I mean, a Urus is sick, like it's a Lamborghini. I don't know, man. I feel like I would get an X6 before I'd get a Urus any day. Like the new X6, come on, bro. That's a Urus killer. This is also a Urus killer. That is insanely tough. That's crazy. Now, if you guys had to pick a big body out of the Urus, X6, RSQ8, which one are y'all choosing? I mean, the RSQ8 and the Urus are pretty much the same, just different outside body styles. But which one are you guys choosing? Let me know in the comments. I'm taking an X6. We just made it to neighborhood number 2. Look at this one, all single-story homes, and it looks to be another retirement neighborhood. So I'm walking through a neighborhood right now, and it's honestly really crazy because yesterday we got scammed for $20, and today there's these 2 really nice ladies outside, and they needed help with something. So I quickly helped them. They're testing to see if a brake light was working, so I pressed on the brake pedal, and she really liked me, and I asked her if she wanted her windows cleaned. She was thinking about it. She said her kids were gonna do it, but she ended up giving me $20. So it's really crazy how if you do like a good deed or like, you know, you get wrongfully scammed in this world, the universe almost gives it back. I feel like that was like the universe giving back the $20 we lost yesterday, which is really crazy. Kind of disappointed I didn't get that on camera, but we got 2 more jobs to do this afternoon. So we're gonna go through how much we're actually making. So far I got 3 jobs today. That one lady also gave me $20, so we'll be making $335 today. I think on any off day, I low-key might just go door knocking for window cleaning. It feels like easy money as well. It is more work involved than couch flipping. Quick 335 bucks, that's not too bad at all. The one lady who I'll be doing the windows isn't even home. She literally gave me the money, said come later. She literally trusts me that much. Obviously, I'm not gonna scam her. We'll be filming that full process of cleaning her windows. Me doing this, I don't expect you guys to start car flipping, start couch flipping, start window cleaning even. But I hope it inspires you to maybe start one of those or even come up with some ideas to start your own thing. Time to get started on our jobs right now. I'm actually at my buddy's house. He's letting me use his water. Filling up our bucket. Utensils here. We got a microfiber that I actually had in my car already, so that's pretty convenient. And we got our 2 poles here as well. I did forget one thing, we're gonna need dish soap. Now we will leave the water in the front seat of the GTR. Hopefully it doesn't spill. That would not be good. Look at that. I guess you can window wash in a GTR. Holy crap, man. It is a mess in this car right now. First things first, we gotta stop at Walmart, get some soap and microfiber towels. I forgot to get those yesterday. My goal is to hopefully not spill this water in the car. We're headed to Walmart. And we're getting these microfibers, $6. Yes, sir. 20 bucks? Hey, yo, I thought it was 6. We got what we needed. Let's go get these 2 jobs done, and then we got the 3rd one later on. Now we've got all the stuff. Let's go get these 2 jobs done, and then we got our 3rd one after that. Man, this is actually crazy. We're window washing out of the GTR, bro. Wasn't bad. All right, so we just got 2 of the jobs done. We got 1 more left, and that's gonna be about $335. Window cleaning out of my GTR. This is crazy. I'm just eating this banana right now. We're about to do our 3rd job of the day. Tomorrow, I'm actually gonna show you guys my whole pitch. We're gonna go tomorrow and maybe the next day, or maybe just today and tomorrow. Hopefully we can save up enough and just buy a truck end of this week with this money while we wait for the Civic to sell. If the Civic sells too, that'd be great as well. Window cleaning is also valid. All right, so he's coming to film this one. Try and hop in there. It's already bad enough. This guy's 6'3" as well.
6'10", care about period cramps, and I'm shredded.
Whoa. If I stopped fast enough, you would get soaked. We're window cleaning today. Let's get it. That's what we're doing. It's for 100. They do a great job, and yeah, we got the GTR parked up. Window cleaning out of the GTR.
So you're gonna tell them that you didn't actually ask this girl to wash her windows. You're just gonna wash them, then just go beg for money afterwards.
Wet ass pants, man. You pissing yourself.
All right, now all we got left is the back here, and then we should be good. That's $100 right here. It's a good side hustle and low key. Okay, chill.
That's called PDA.
Dude, you're actually weird.
Public displays of affection.
What, do you have affection for me or what?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we're all done. Ready? This is the fun part where you get to dump out the water.
Wow, and you're littering.
$100. It has been quite the productive day so far. We've gotten 3 window cleaning. Oh shoot, there's some behind me. Anyways, we made $335 in profit today. Obviously, we spent $110 yesterday on the supplies, but we're up right now, and we're gonna window clean again tomorrow. We can save up to $1,000 within a couple days. I think we can easily get this truck before we sell the Civic. Right now, we're about to go eat, so let's get it. Time for dinner. We got the usual chicken, no cheese again, mustard, and wraps. This is gonna be fantastic. I am excited to eat it, and I am in a different city tonight, so that means I'm gonna be finding a new place to sleep in this car. We gotta find a new parking lot, unfortunately. Hopefully all goes well with that. And man, it sure is cold, but at least it's not raining. But we're making 4 of these today. We gotta eat up this chicken. It's time for the sauce. I'm just putting a little bit less now. It tastes a lot better. It's an R6. Fire, man. So good. The only thing I ate today was a banana, so this is actually hitting. We're eating the last 2 in the car because it's actually so cold. My hands are freezing right now. This is far low. Alright guys, I'm currently at a school right now editing. I always come to the school at night to get my editing done. It's pretty chill, a nice warm place to edit. The vibe as well. I kind of like being at school because it's almost like, I feel like, it's not that I missed out on school, but like, it almost feels like I'm a part of it or something. I don't know. It's not that I would ever go to school. But anyways, tonight, since we're window cleaning tomorrow, I'm gonna actually post a Facebook ad right now. Not an ad, but like a listing on Marketplace saying end of season window cleaning. See if we can get a job from that. I don't know. I don't know if it'll actually work. Why not try? We got windows as the title because sometimes Facebook Marketplace won't let you add a service. Publish. Boom. See if this actually does well. All right, boys. Good night. We got some good window cleaning done today. I'm gonna aim for another $300 tomorrow. So that could either be 3 jobs or 2 jobs. The jobs we did today were all half an hour each. We're gonna run it back tomorrow. Let's get it.